customize ya. Jadi kita mau coba jajarin karena saya tahu Pak.
Good morning. So my name is Yudi from International Professor in Indonesia.
Good morning. Pleased to meet you. Thank you for welcoming.
Thank you for stopping by our office.
Thank you.
Well, okay, let me say my appreciation and thank you, Pak Governors, with regards to your time, the valuable times, and all the staff from the provincial organizations.
I will introduce yourself.
Yeah. Maybe you want to introduce them first.
Pak Tahira is my assistant for people welfare. And Dr. Gusmedi is our health department chief. And Pak Mawandi is the corporate government corporation.
So, Professor Tom is the director of the World Health Center of UCLA, University of California, Los Angeles. He is also overseeing the UCLA hospitals. As you know, that UCLA hospital is being ranked now as the third best hospital in the United States. And also, he is also overseeing the medical school of UCLA, David Geffen Medical Schools. And David Geffen Medical School is being ranked as the number 7 best medical school in the US now. And they have a program basically to work with countries around the world in doing not only research but also to help to enhance the quality of the doctors in each different country. They have worked now intensively with the People's Republic of China, the government of China, the Ministry of Health, and also with the provincial government of Shanghai, basically in taking care of all the enhancement programs and educations, and also performs the necessary healthcare, taking care of the public healthcare, basically, for the people of Shanghai and many other provinces in China. So I was having a meeting with Tom last October in Los Angeles. So I was thinking, why don't we bring this kind of expertise to Indonesia and everything? So that's why, I tried to talk to you, governors, about that. If there's a possibility with the provincial government that we can help, they can help basically to enhance the quality. But then we also know that this needs an endorsement from the Ministry of Health. So yesterday we had to thank God that we got finally an audience yesterday with the Ministry of Health. We have a meeting with the Secretary General of the Ministry of Health because the minister is not available yesterday, and also with the 3 Director Generals, and also with the Special Advisor to the Ministry of Health, Professor Akmal. So we have been briefed basically for the situation of the whole healthcare system in Indonesia, especially that's related to the Puskesmas. So they said that they have a program, they have a national program with regards to the PPJS and Puskesmas to enhance the quality of the doctors in Indonesia. They admitted that the Indonesian doctor, what they call general practitioner, Dr. Umum, is mostly just graduated from the medical school, actually is under the standards of what is there in the world today. Because most of them, they went to study medical school only for 4 years, 5 years maximum. Whereas in the US, for example, there is only qualification for the pre-med. It's not supposed to be graduate with a doctor degree. It's only a pre-medical school, basically. They have to take another 4 years programs, another 2 years of residency programs before they are able to practice as a medical doctors, actually, in the US. So, because they said that 70% of the doctor in Indonesia is a general practitioner, 30% are specialists. So they want to enhance this general practitioner where they work in the Puskesmas, the quality of these doctors, by bringing in a lot of resources from UCLA working together to enhance the quality so that they can give the standard of general practitioner doctor to become a specialist, so that they can also give a different package to the doctors, a pay package, a salary, and sovereign pay and everything, So this is the program, and they have been very enthusiastic to welcome UCLA to take care of their program, to help them. Especially now they said that BPJS first reference should go to Puskesmas before they go to the hospital. So now, if the quality of the doctor in the Puskesmas are very bad, many people, the middle, low income people, they are very hesitant to go to the Puskesmas in order to get the reference and this kind of thing. Number two, they also said that, because UCLA is very good in the research center of the cancer HIV, okay? And in fact, they have found actually drugs for the HIV patients in order to contain the HIV, not to become AIDS, basically. And this has been very successfully implemented. They're also very successfully implementing the research results of the cancer treatment as non-invasive and also non-chemo treatment. Okay, it's basically to increase the immune system of a person, basically, to be able to fight the cancer themselves.
Sorry, I mean the question is how we could make a cooperation.
Yeah. So they have a program actually, basically that they can send their best resource or professor from the medical school to be here. So I think I would like Professor Tom to explain.
Well, sorry, I understand many things.
Okay.
For me, is because the short of the time.
Yeah.
I just want to know what the program we already know, what the implementation we already know.
Yeah.
Sometimes the regulation. That's why we want to know how to implement this.
Yeah.
And Jakarta is very totally different with another part of Indonesia. We have a lot of doctors.
Yeah.
Most of the doctor in Indonesia is in Jakarta. Ini bagus bisa jelasin sekilas. The problem is now how we make a cooperation. Even a foreign doctor could not practice in Indonesia without the doctor association give the permit. Even our diaspora from Netherlands, Indonesian diaspora in Netherlands, most of them, when the holiday, vacation, they want to spend their time, 1 year, they retire, to help us work in our hospital. No need to pay. Part of their service to this country. We could not get a permit. Yeah, that's another problem.
So let me maybe talk a little bit about what we at UCLA are interested in. We don't seek to come here to practice. We seek to develop collaborations in certain areas.
Yeah, I mean this. If like that, I think it's more. You have to talk to Health Minister and maybe talk to University of Indonesia, FKUI.
Yeah.
We work with FKUI. We are open. Anything open. We work. Kita bekerja sama FKUI kan. We could not directly.
Right.
Right.
So that's why actually the first meeting was with the Ministry of Health. So because we know that they are the regulator.
For us, very easy for us.
Yeah.
Anything we open.
So
the system is open.
Mm-hmm.
Everybody want to help. We just open, welcome, everything. But want to know is the regulation.
Right. And again, we don't see that our physicians would come here and practice, but our faculty and physicians would come here and work with your physicians.
Now, not work with us. You have to work with the University of Indonesia.
Well, with the University of Indonesia,
It's a medical department.
which is the preeminent medical school and hospital.
not just the education part, but they have another part which is the hospital side, because they have many professors that is very good in general, in specialist practitioner, for example, on the cancer treatment, for example, on the HIV treatment and this kind of thing. So this is not about the education, about how to enhance the quality of the Indonesian doctors by bringing the best resources from UCLA hospitals, basically, to teach them or to collaborate with us, basically, on the special program. But then we got an endorsement from the Ministry of Health yesterday.
Yeah, for us it's very easy. Sometimes the central government, they just talk. For us it's very easy. If they give us a permit, we open a hospital.
Mm-hmm.
We welcome everything, but with the regulation from them.
Mm-hmm.
Because health program is required. Actually, many things we different few with the central
The
government.
central
As
government.
bagus.
Sama-sama ID,
Yeah.
Ya.
profesi.
Nggak bisa ini. Kalau cuma sekedar konsesi call sih saya terima.
Yeah.
Nah kita kadang-kadang kalau bukan teman saya nggak mau terima, dan bosan dan mau dengar itu. Ya, I really waste time and boring.
Yeah.
What we now want to do it, also use itu teknologi apa Swiss ya? Yang radioterapi itu apa? Amerika.
Ya, Swiss. Tapi barangnya Amerika.
Amerika juga. This year we want to commissioning 16 radiotherapy and also train from the United States. Dia train, kita beli alatnya, dia train. But you also have to have a local partner put in LKPP to use the limited bidding process. 16 kita pembahasan this year. We also want to develop in a cancer hospital use of palliative care.
So we understand about all that, but so that's why I think this is more on the protocol because we also
Iya
inform
makanya
them.
maksud saya gini Pak, saya jujur aja saya waktu saya itu udah mau berantem sama orang di sini gitu. Saya nggak ada waktu untuk dengerin sesuatu apa.
Iya.
Saya orangnya cepat. Itu masalah apa? Saya jajarin solusinya apa?
Iya.
Selesai.
Yeah.
Kita nggak ada waktu basa-basi. Saya udah tahu banyak soalnya.
Iya.
Saya udah tahu. Makanya orang bilang saya arogan. Karena saya tahu kalau enggak. Saya nggak ada waktu dengerin. Saya cuma maunya apa? Masalahnya apa? Aku beresin. Satu dua cepet.
Yeah.
Saya orangnya gitu. Tapi sekarang hebat ini masalahnya bukan di kita.
Pemikiran kami ada gini Pak, nanti kan mereka kan kemarin meminta kepada UCLA untuk kerjasama mendukung program puskesmas mereka sebagai ujung tombak awal.
Ini makanya
Nah,
for
nanti
us is very easy if our health department make the decision.
Kalau regulasinya oke.
Yeah, make
Nggak ada
decision
masalah.
want to work with UCLA. We are welcome. All our community hospital you could use. Welcome.
Okay.
I tell you, I guarantee fully support. We welcome.
Okay.
But the important is, do you have a permit from the health
The
department?
regulator. The most important is the regulator. So,
Yeah, what you talk about, we already have done.
Yeah.
We put the specialists, we work very close with the medical department, UI, Gajah Mada, Unpad juga ada ya. We put them in our district office and hospital. And now we develop a hospital in the district area. Is district area with the hospital. Why? Because the poor people, the family want to take care.
Yeah.
They need a cost if they live too far.
Right.
That's why the idea is a put. Now we also launched a medical care, preventive and promotive. 1,250 residents. We take care with the one doctor, one midwife, and one nurse. This is the first time in this country. We do this. And we move them to the low-cost apartment. I think it is only in the world only we do this. You never imagine. We make a big resettlement, the poor people, to a low-cost apartment. They only pay almost $10 monthly for the service, and all the kids, children get a scholarship. High school almost $60 monthly. Yeah, truly, they become. And the intermediate school, berapa intermediate school? Almost $30. Yeah, and the elementary school, yeah, almost I think $15
And
monthly.
that's all scholarship.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We give the money. This is the ATM. Debit card. And the whole family, you just show your identity card, you live in low-cost apartment, free of charge for all the bus service in the city. Yeah, we do this. And then put the doctor, nurse in the area. That's what we do for them. And also we give them, if we want to do a business, we could supply for them almost $800 capital, rate 1% monthly. We do it very good. I tell you, this is the best. The city.
Wonderful program.
Yeah, no, we do the preventive promotive. Also, we launched a palliative care. We want to develop a big palliative care, 1,000 bed and 500 apartment units to take care of the poor people. We want to provide them a palliative care.
This is better than US.
Oh, I'll say.
Oh yeah, when you talk about the insurance care, health care, we are better than US.
Yeah.
Our healthcare program better than US. We like surgery in our Arakan hospital. I think sekarang kita semua approval. 350 already, surgery, no accident, free of charge. How to differentiate the poor people? Very easy. I don't care you bring a car or not bring a car. If you want go to our Puskesmas, our community clinic, and you want refer to the sub-class room, 1 room, 10 bed. Now the new one only 6 beds. We make it the new one room only 6 bed. You're free. I know you are poor. The rich one don't want to get the sub-class room. Last year, we already at 1,900 kamar. 1,500. Yeah. 1,550. Now, we add 1,950 bed for the hospital. This is new. I guarantee the best hospital in Indonesia today, not the private sector, we. You could see our new hospital. Yeah, I guarantee you. Our hospital is the best one in Indonesia. It's affiliated with Arakan, Koja, Pasar Minggu. No, the private could not compare to us. And we paid a very good salary. You know, the doctor in our clinic community called Puskesmas, 30 juta. It's almost nowadays, almost $2,500. You compare to our basic salary, only $200. You compare to the private hospital, under $1,000 private hospital. It's only a clinic hospital. You know, we really do the best in this country, in Jakarta. And city administration paid the biggest salary, the whole nation. We spend above 1.2 billion US dollar for salary. Like our second is the chief SRO, like them, exclude their salary, their bonus only, according to KPI. Now, 70 juta dapatnya. They almost get 5,000 US dollar monthly.
Good.
Even the lowest 1,000 dollar. Jakarta now, we change very fast. But our service is very good now. We have a one-stop service. We just come to our office. We have 308 office. You don't need to pay. We always say like this, we are a best broker, but very generous and kind broker to help you. We serve you like a banking. That's why this year maybe we will jump from World Bank survey, ease of doing business, just look at the Jakarta. From 109 number will become 40 or 50. Very easy to do the business in Jakarta. But we fire many bureaucrats, many employees. We really fire them.
Really?
Oh, I fire many. That's why I like a job. Be a governor in Jakarta easy. No need to have a smart brain. You just have a tough muscle.
I like that.
A tough muscle. You know, we are very frustrated for many doctors who help us. We really frustrated with the situation. We know exactly why not to let the foreign doctors to come in to practice together so they could learn very fast how to do surgery, everything. But ED always, ED is the Ikatan Dokter Indonesian Doctors Association. They always say no. I always talk to them. If you could not do this, please let others do this. Why you keep the patient like that? This is a human life. But they're very powerful, Yaspa. I think ED is the one most powerful association in this country. But we try to do apa. Kita juga training ya, ada dokter-dokter itu. I think you have to visit our, mungkin mesti dia ajak visit one of our
Hospital.
hospital.
That would be good. Yeah.
Mungkin bisa banyak ketanakan after this. The
Actually, Pak, yesterday, we just also learned that the Ministry of Health own 38 school, medical school, in all 34
now they want
provinces.
to take all.
Huh?
Even the nursing school, they want to take back to the central government.
Oh, really?
Even our school, it's just like that.
So maybe that's
So I prefer close it every 3 years. That's crazy. Sometimes very bagus. Sekolah perawat kita mau ditutup.
So they want us actually to involve in enhancing the quality of education in all the school. And because I'm also doing the e-learning platform and everything, so they said, and also the internet infrastructure. So they said, well, you help us also together with CLA.
But for us, you're talking about the nurse, doctor. The best learning is practice time.
Yes.
Yeah.
Even you put a needle, like, Pak Bus ketawa. My son got a DB, go to the hospital. Pak Bus, take care. So I want to very near to my house, so I bring him to the near hospital. You know, the nurse want to put infusion. Needle. Very difficult to find. You compare to our nurse, very fast and smooth. Because you have many patients to practice. So last time we always think private is a good. Move many times. It's not good. Well, ya ada lah yang senior pengalamannya. But kita punya rumah sakit better. But
Karena
people perception.
banyak pasien juga.
Hey, now we
So
have
many patients there.
Yeah, yeah.
So they have more chances to practice.
Yeah.
We adopt a case system for payment, not fee for service like the
Yeah,
States.
capital. Yeah.
Yeah, we like Germany, like England.
And we're moving in that direction too.
Yeah, so it's a case me.
Yeah.
For me, it's better than if you join our health program, BPJS, you will be better than you go personally. In a way, you go personally, the doctor will use a fee for service treatment. Sometimes you overdoses.
Oh yeah.
Because here the doctor, every specialist think they're better. They give you too many medicine, you overdoses. But if you use a case me, every doctor want to save it.
That's right.
You want to saving the time. Now I think you're better. But some middle class think better, many medicine is good. So some of them complain. Or the first year we ran this, but only 3 years. Now 3 years, I almost no complaint anymore now, after the 3 years. Before, almost every 1,000 complained to me about the service. Yeah, you know why? It's like you go to you join the tour packet. You have lunch or dinner, it's a packet. If you are rich, you want to asking another steak, wagyu, everything, you have to pay. The same with this cosmic system. People usually use the fee for service. And the doctor always wastes many medicine, everything, just to the patient.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
But cosmic system, if you waste, you get the
That's right. No, it changes the incentive.
That's why
Yeah.
the first time,
Yeah.
most of the doctor make a demonstration come to me.
Oh, I'm sure.
I just say like this, if you don't like, you just go out. Leave our hospital. I could pay many good doctors here now. And the problem, I think, if we could work with another country, best doctor from the world, will be better. But we have a regulation.
That's why we try to work with the regulator. If they approve, we can work together. Then at least we are Pulau already with the provincial government of Jakarta. We can work
We are
together.
open. You could use our hospital. You could use Jakarta as your place. Yeah, we are open. We have how many hospitals we have now?
Yang kita punya
City administration.
yang
Because I also share with him about your patient.
Berapa ya?
yang besar 7, yang kecamatan 20.
Oh, we have 7 big hospitals. The
Seven
city
hospitals.
administration all. Not the private, city administration.
You have 7 hospitals?
7 big hospital, 20 medium
Oh,
hospital.
maksudnya Pemprov DKI.
Puskesmas ada berapa?
Ada 350 yang besar, yang kecamatan 44, yang
Ah, the
kelurahan
district 44, kelurahan.
354.
It's
354.
hospital atau poliklinik, Pak?
Bukan loh, puskesmas. Dan
Puskesmas.
our puskesmas is like the service in private hospital service. Puskesmas kita tuh bagus.
Puskesmas is the family healthcare practitioner. The one that-
Oh, okay.
Kita
Okay.
you compare to the private polyclinic better, you could see. Even you could see our hospital here for the employee. Bisa diajak ke atas tuh lantai berapa, Pak?
Oh, you have hospital here?
13, Pak.
Oh yeah, we have to serve the employee. All the equipment very good. You just go at the lantai apa? 13. Wah, Jakarta is really best. I show you.
I thought one of your good hospital is Tarakan.
Tarakan very best.
Yeah.
Pak Kusmedi is the former director for Tarakan.
Oh.
That's why we asked him to help us in the department. He's a former doctor in Tarakan. He get more best salary in Tarakan than now. Tarakan is better salary.
He's also going to meet with several hospitals in Jakarta, private hospitals, today and tomorrow.
Yeah, private hospital, too small, if you look at it. But the name,
Yes.
that's why I told the private hospital owner, be careful of most of you. Because your customer, you have to be careful, your customer. The rich one, go to Singapore.
Yeah. That's
Now,
what you were saying.
you're
Yeah.
just a middle class. The lowest class come to us, and we control use the health insurance. But after this, middle class already start to come to us. So where's your customer again? And your doctor will work with us because our hospital could recruit the private doctor. We are a business unit.
And because of your pay, it's good.
Yeah.
Pay is good.
We are a business unit. No, before when we're not a business unit, we could not. We have to recruit bureaucrat. But now after our hospital and all Puskesmas become a business unit, we call BRUD, we like a business.
Yeah. Yeah.
We really like a business.
Yeah. We at UCLA run our hospital the same way. It's run as a business, and without bureaucratic
Yeah,
regulation.
understand.
See, that's a very interesting model. Yeah.
And we all also every year subsidy. Kita tuh biaya kesehatan berapa? Tiap tahunnya.
Sekarang 7,1 triliun.
Yeah.
Wow, that's a lot.
Yeah, we almost 600 million US dollar.
US dollars yearly.
Yearly.
Subsidized.
14%.
Itu di luar bangun gedung ya.
Iya.
Kita mau bangun gedung kanker itu berapa itu? 1 T itu berapa?
Yang mana?
To the public
Semua
hospitals.
Oh, semua
Iya.
orang nggak bisa 2 T ya.
2 T itu ya. We want to
How many bed is that, Pak?
Huh?
How many bed is going to be?
1,000
1,000
and 500 apartment.
Iya.
We want to develop 3 towers. 3 towers. We have to prepare the budget. Yeah, almost 150 million US dollar to develop this. Yeah, almost.
So 1,000 beds, 500 apartments.
Yeah.
The apartments are for the families?
As a palliative care.
Palliative care. Okay.
Palliative care for the cancer.
All right.
We want to make the biggest. So Sumbawa become the biggest cancer, stroke
Stroke?
and heart attack 3.
So that's going to replace the existing one.
No, not depressed. We just some heart attack. We need many hospitals, so they're very near.
Yeah.
The center.
Yeah, because if you
Yeah.
get in quickly,
Yeah.
and likewise with stroke.
Yeah, we work very closely with Darmais and Harapan.
Yeah.
Yeah, benar-benar you couldn't compare to us hospital. We really spend a lot of money. We do. Kita punya dokter berapa ya, Pak, spesialis semuanya?
Spesialis sekitar 3.000-an.
We have specialist 3,000 in Jakarta. Ya, dokter biasa berapa gitu?
22.000.
22,000 dokter.
So it's about 90% for the general practitioner, Pak, ya?
Itu Jakarta 10%. Nggak ada kita loh. Makanya kita berani sesumbar bilang dari ke depan 1.250 orang Jakarta kita take care one doctor, one nurse.
But another thing that they already know doing in China is that the telepathology. So that basically UCLA will act on behalf of the Hospital of Jakarta as the second opinion, Pak, second opinion center. But,
Pintu kan juga pakai.
Iya.
jadi nggak usah ke Singapura. Jadi yang menjadi memberikan second opinion adalah dokter-dokter yang the best di UCLA.
Makanya kita nggak bisa. That's the problem. We already use the tele since very long time. Now we have a service called knock the door, serve with heart. We send the doctor preventive and promotion. We knock the people home, and they use the telemedic bed to send to the hospital. So we have their data, what we have to do after this, what the symptom, what the...
Yeah. So a large part of the effort is making it very patient-friendly, very service-oriented.
Yeah, we want really preventive and promotive.
Yeah, preventive is key.
Yeah, because in Indonesia culture, when one gets sick, the whole family busy to get sick and to take care of this.
It affects the whole family, and especially with something serious like stroke or cancer. I mean, it affects the whole family. It's a family issue. Yeah.
Itu mau bangun 2017 kali. Yeah, next year we will develop another biggest one. We just finished 2 big hospital. Tambah extend, so we already get 1,950 beds. Some hospital we put helipad because we have the island, remote area. So if an emergency, we have to use the helipad.
To bring for trauma and bring people.
Beberapa rumah sakit kita tuh ke depan udah helipad. Nanti
Bangunnya itu berapa lama, Pak? Bangunnya
very fast.
2017.
We have we call it design and build, and we put everything in e-catalog. Like Koja Hospital, we groundbreaking until operation 2 years.
Very fast.
Yeah,
Very
very
fast.
fast. Berapa bulan ya, Pak?
2 tahun.
2 tahun lebih ya. Very fast, including operation, not the building. Everything.
Wow. So it sounds like in your administration, health is a big priority.
Yeah.
Yeah. And why is that? Why did you choose
It's
health?
like a Chinese old saying. Even you are poor is no matter. The important is you are healthy. That is the old saying. If we have to choose one, we choose healthy. Even you're stupid is no matter. Not popular is okay, but healthy. For what popular? You're smart, you rich, but you get sick. That's the old saying. But what our vision is, I make a joke. Very easy to remember my vision to run the city administration, to make food. People brain, left, right brain, people stomach, healthy, and wallet full. Only that.
Wallet full,
Stomach full and brain full.
brain left and right.
Yeah.
That's great. I like it. Yeah.
That's very easy.
Yeah.
That's the vision.
Yeah.
And people ask me how to measure your vision. I said vision have to use the number to count to reach your vision. So how to count it? We call it Human Development Index and Happiness Index. So we will know how long they go to study, how the happiness index, how long they live, how their purchasing power. That's a Human Development Index. This is the United Nations standard.
Yeah.
So our vision could count use a standard.
Yeah.
Our first mission to reach our vision, make the bureaucrat become professional and servant bureaucrat. You have to be a servant leader, servant employee. That's the first mission to reach this vision. The second is the health, education, and housing. And the third is how to develop SME, small, medium enterprise. And it is very important. And the fourth is how you make this become regional for industry, for mines. They talk about that. The fifth is how what you take care of the environment. That's very easy to remember, but this is not the politic vision. This is my personal vision and mission. Very easy to remember my vision.
Sometimes a lot of time it's difficult to implement because of the political system. Yeah.
I think if you don't have a vested interest, you don't accept bribe, you know partiality, and you're not afraid about your life, I think no matter the most problem is ourselves. You want to talk a bribe, you want the power, and you could not do a no partiality system, that's a problem for you. But if you do it, you're nothing to lose. Even a parliament member, you can't control them. I fight with all the parliament members, 2015.
I'm not surprised.
Yeah, I fight all.
Oh yeah, I'm sure.
I now become independent.
Oh really?
I'm independent, first governor
I
independent.
share with him a lot about him. Sure.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's why we really open. But if you just want to come to talk sama semacam seminar, we are open. Kalau itu masih
Okay.
talk, kumpul.
So if you want to conduct, usually want to conduct like a session for the seminars, you know.
Okay.
Yeah. Good.
So okay, thank you for
Thank
your
you very
time.
much.
Bagus Medi, dapat itu from Bagus Medi. He's
But-
in charge of everything. He's
Okay.
very good.
But I share with Professor Tom about your passion on the cancer center hospital.
Yes.
That's why he said that, well, UCLA is specializing on the cancer. So how could we help? You know?
Bagus Medi.
Okay.
Maybe you could know how to design everything. Yeah, I fight with the national auditor body for the hospital because the private sector wants to buy this hospital. I buy it very cheap. They said I lose the money for the government. I fight with them. We buy it very cheap, under value. We buy it.
Tapi nilai objek pajaknya berbeda, jalan yang dipakai ya, of course, not fair.
Crazy.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Pleasure. Pleasure to meet you. Yes, yes.
Maybe change the
Absolutely. Yes. Yeah.
phone now.
Thank you for
Yeah.
that.
Yeah. So now, it's very have a patient. The important is have a patient to do this.
Well, health improves the economy.
Yeah.
Education improves the economy. This thing.
I think the most important is the health.
Yeah.
There's two health and education. Because when we spend a lot of budget for education, I give a 600,000 schools.
Yeah. That would definitely pay out.
Almost